Chemistry Caro here, and today we're going to get some hydrogen gas. Now, it's kind of hard to get the gas itself essentially. So what we're going to do is an experiment to produce the gas itself by following a thermochemistry. By adding hydrochloric acid and a combination of magnesium, it displaces the hydrogen gas itself, thus making a gas arise. Now, we're not going to keep it today, but we're going to show that hydrogen gas is coming out. Now remember, hydrogen gas is very flammable and hydrochloric acid is very corrosive. Make sure you have on gloves, goggles, and the appropriate safety gear. Also, I also recommend having eye wash. Let's do some science.
Now when the hydrogen displaces, we're going to add a flame to prove that it is there. When the hydrogen reacts with the flame, it leads to a small explosion. You're going to see this in many different views. Check this out.
So that was a really cool experiment. You couldn't see the hydrogen gas itself, but when we changed it to those different views, you saw the reaction with the flame and the gas. You saw how there was a spark, there was a small explosion between the hydrogen and the flame. Like I said, hydrogen is very flammable, so be careful when doing an experiment like this at home. We have enough time for one more experiment, and this time we're going to be working with non-Newtonian fluids. Now, non-Newtonian fluids are pretty hard to describe. They're a thick liquid that can't be described for their viscosity because they have a different flow per se. An example would be rolling it up into a ball with your hands, and then when letting go, it just turns back to liquid. We're going to do an experiment with a subwoofer, and for this one, when we put in the subwoofer and turn on the speaker to maybe 10 or 20 hertz, the liquid doesn't just splash like regular liquids, it forms almost a shape and almost solidifies in the air, then comes back down, and when you turn the speaker off, it turns completely back to liquid. It's a really cool experiment and really fun to do at home, so give it a shot. Just make sure to be careful with your subwoofer and put plastic wrap, stuff like that, so you don't mess up your speaker. To make this more fun, we're going to add some music and some food coloring. Now, the ingredients you need are simply water, cornstarch, plastic wrap, and a speaker. If you enjoy the show, this is a 2-minute long video. Feel free to watch all of it. My name is Chemistry Caro, and thanks for watching.
Oh.